Namaskar. I am presenting a cover story entitled Ancient Heritage Structures of Devas. This cover story is of Sri Ram Temple at Krishnapura Devas, which was handed over to us by our ancestors. This temple was built in the year 1900 by Diwan of Devas State Senior, late Diwan Shri Bajirao Amrit Atre, and named after Gajabai Atre. This temple covers an area of 5500 square feet with three major sections: the front yard, the main building of the temple with two halls and two adjacent rooms, and the backyard with basic amenities. Earlier, Devas was divided into two provinces, Devas State Senior and Devas State Junior. But since the establishment of this temple, the royal families of both the provinces used to come to this temple only to celebrate all the major religious festivals like Shri Ganesh Chaturthi, Shri Ram Navami, Holi, Rang Panchami, Haldi Kumkum, and so on. So, considering the historical importance of this temple from the perspective of Devas, I am going to take you to a virtual visit of this temple.
The entrance gate of the temple is beautifully covered with trees of bougainvillea flowers. The front yard of the temple has lush green trees of guava, belpatra and avla, which gives it a pleasant look. And the main building of the temple has one hall on the right side and two rooms on the left side. Now we are entering the main hall of the temple. This is the main hall where a flex is displayed having all the artis which are recited during any religious occasion. Then comes the main place where the idols of Sri Ramji, Sita Ji, Lakshman Ji, Hanuman Ji and Garud Ji are placed. And the feature which makes this temple unique is that here only the idol of Garud Ji is placed along with the idol of Hanuman Ji. Apart from the main hall, the adjacent hall provides extra sitting space during any religious functions organized on the occasion of Sri Ram Navami, Sri Das Navami and so on. The backyard of this temple is an open space which is normally used for lunch or dinner held during these functions. The visit to this temple will not be complete without having a look at the glimpses of some of the functions.
At the end of this story, I would like to mention that this temple is 120 years old now, and by preserving this ancient heritage structures, all the members of Atre family along with a devoted group of Rashtraguru Samarth Ramdas Vichar Manch are trying to preserve the cultural and moral values handed over to us by our ancestors. Thank you very much, and of course, all of you are most welcome to visit our Sri Ram temple anytime.